Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you some of the products that I promote and why you need to get them to support your well-being. I am Juliet Oriri from the Live Well Pathway, where health meets happiness. Here we talk about using food as medicine, herbs, plants as medicine, because God has created herbs for the service of men. The first is stembold. This is, we call it the gospel for women. Why? Because it works so amazingly in the head of the woman. Every issues from puberty, talk about menstrual issue, cessation of menstruation, dysmenorrhea, up to blocked tubes, infertility, and other conditions, menopause, and even postmenopausal. All the issues that come from between puberty until menopause. This will help you to prevent it. And should you be having any of them already, this can help you to better manage it. Stembold is made of powerful Chinese herbs that have the signature of the woman in mind. You open it, boil it 5 to 10 minutes, and sieve it, and you just drink it. And I tell you, the testimonials are mind-blowing. Give it a try. The next one is meat for coffee or Vigorboard. This we call the gospel for men because it takes care of all the issues of the man, from EDs, erectile dysfunctions, to STDs, infertility, giving vigor and vitality to the man. This is your go-to coffee that you can drink. It's made up of different herbs, Ganoderma, cordyceps, and also including that we have the maca root. Maca root is an excellent herb that help regulate blood pressure. No wonder our clients are having, when they use it, they have normalized blood pressure. It's also good for prostate health. Men have to look after their health, their prostate health, from the age of 35. So, grab one and prevent the issues of prostate ill health. It is €30 per a pack. The third one is stembold. Stembold. This is for those that want to stay healthy and maintain a healthy weight, not just starving or fatty diet. No, maintaining a healthy weight is very important because overweight has a lot of implication on our health, right from arthritis, talk of type 2 diabetes, talk of even heart conditions. We see that weight is implicated in them. Fatty liver is as a result of overweight. And also this stembold, it helps you to remove the bad cholesterol in your system that can cause even heart condition. It is €30. And we're having real testimonials about people that are using this. It also helps to cleanse the liver. You know, the liver is the big organ that detoxifies the body of heavy metals and all those bad guys coming into our body. So we need to keep our liver working in the right form so that it can help us to build our immunity. Fourth one is cranstembold. Cranstem is made up of stem cells in a cranberry base. It helps our urinary system. For those that have repeated infections, UTIs, this cranberry usually help. And combining it with stem cells, it's a duo and super combination. Because what are stem cells? Stem cells are rescue cells in our body in any condition that we'll find ourselves. Is there a condition of lack, a condition of weak and damaged cells? This come into the system and replaces those cells, rejuvenating and bringing back life again. So it is €60 because it does so much in our body. Grab your pack today. And also all the rest that I have spoken about, when we combine stem cells with them, they give us super duper results. You can combine it with Vigorbold, also combining it with Fembold. You have 4 times the result of only using this. So why wait? Health is the best asset that you have. Don't overlook your health.